Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PNC app, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the PNC app, begin by locating the app on your device's home screen. On Android devices, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Choose the option that says uninstall or the trash can icon. Follow the prompts to confirm the uninstallation. If you are using an iPhone, locate the PNC app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until all apps start wiggling. Tap the small X in the corner of the PNC app icon. Confirm that you want to delete the app. For iPads, the process is similar. Press and hold the app icon until the icons jiggle. Tap the X on the PNC app to remove it. If you are using a Windows computer, open the Start menu. Navigate to Settings and then click on Apps. In the Apps section, scroll down to find the PNC app. Click on the app and select the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the uninstallation. For Mac users, open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the PNC app, then drag it to the trash bin. Alternatively, right-click the app and select Move to Trash. Empty the trash bin to permanently remove the app from your system. After completing these steps, the PNC app will be uninstalled successfully from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.